The snow just keeps coming down in Gloucester, Massachusetts. Parts of the Northeast are deep into another major winter storm this weekend, with blizzard conditions in 6 states along their coastal regions. Forecasters expect heavy snow and hurricane-force wind gusts of up to 75 miles an hour. The hardest hit states, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, and New Hampshire. Boston's expecting up to 14 inches of snow through Sunday, and Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker is urging residents to stay indoors all day.
This storm is officially a blizzard. We have drifting snow in many parts of eastern Massachusetts. The estimates at this point significantly exceed what we thought the level of snow was going to be as recently as last night. Driving conditions will be very difficult.
The governor says some 600 members of the National Guard are helping out during the blizzard. The wind chill in Boston could hit minus 20 degrees on Monday, with a wind chill of minus 35 degrees predicted for western parts of the state.